Just hold it right there. Yes, you. Have you seen these kinds of videos? I am certain you all are curious on how such videos are made. I was scrolling through YouTube and then I stumbled on this channel. It has garnered over 15 million subscribers by just uploading kids' videos. They started in 2015, and over 10 years they have garnered over 9 billion views. Every of their contents are doing well. There was even a video that did as much as 500 million views. You can start imagining if these people are practicing voodoo or they are superhumans for hitting such record on YouTube with this kind of content. It took me 24 hours to study more about this niche, and that is what I have come to share today. Before we move, simply tap on the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever a video is posted here. Instead of doing a copy and paste kind of content, which at the end of the day YouTube would refuse to monetize your channel, why not do something close to it, but a totally different strategy? This channel used animals. Can I use fruit or probably objects? All that matters here is that you produced something relatable to the kids out there. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. Since we already have an understanding that we are to come up with a new strategy, let's head to this channel for a little idea. And since we agreed to use fruits for our contents, so we already have an idea of fruits from this channel. The next thing to do is to head to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 50 types of fruits. Allow ChatGPT to bring out the list before entering the next prompt that says, "Please write me a short kids lesson where each fruit introduces itself to the kids." And once ChatGPT is done writing a lesson for you, the next thing to do is to go through your lesson and add little human touch so it can relate to your audience, because you know fully well that this is an AI tool that is generating this lesson and it lacks human empathy. You're not done yet. So, enter the next prompt, which says, "Give me prompts I will use to generate images for each fruit standing straight and facing the camera and with a very happy face. These fruits must have features like legs, arms, eyes, mouth, nose, and others." I will click on Generate, and ChatGPT will bring out the prompts as requested. This will lead us to the second step, which is to copy the prompts and head an AI tool called Dzine AI. Click on New Project, name it Fruit Lesson, change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then we will come to Text to Image, and then paste our script. Click on Design General, and select the Design 3D V1, then click Generate. Look at it, it has created an image for us here. It generated an apple. If you don't like the background, you can tweak the prompt. This is how it looked after little tweak. After that, you can download it. Then we can go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it here again. Click Generate. Then do it for all the whole 15 prompts. Once you're done, you can head over to the next step, which is voiceover generation. For this, head over to 11 Labs, click on Text-to-Speech option. Then go back to ChatGPT, scroll up to the part where the fruits are introducing themselves. Copy the prompt there. I think this particular one is an apple. Go and paste it on 11 Labs, paste it there. Look for a voice suitable for an apple. Check it out and download it. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt here. I think it's a banana. Copy and paste it in 11 Labs, choose a suitable voice for banana, and download it. Do this for all the fruit introduction scene. Remember to save it up. Then head to Pixverse. This is where the magic happens. We will be using this tool to animate our images, thereby turning it to 3D stunning video. You will see an icon here. Click on it to upload your image. Select your first image, and then describe what you want to happen to your image. Beneath this place, you can play with any of these buttons, but then I wouldn't, because I am okay with the settings. And then I will click on Create. And this is what it generated. I love these. So what I will do is this. I will come to this lip sync icon, and from there I will upload my audio for my Mango, and simply click Create again. It will automatically sync the audio with the mouth movement of the Mango. Then download. Do same for all the images, as I wouldn't be doing all because I have limited time here. And after this, we are heading to CapCut, where we are to put all of these things together and edit it. Click on the Import tab, import all your images and videos gotten from those previous tools. Adjust them if need be. Don't forget to add texts, transitions, background audio, and effects. Then download it. This is just what we got.
Hello everyone, I'm Banana. I'm long and yellow, and I give you lots of energy. Just peel me and I'm ready to eat. Monkeys love me, and I bet you will too.
Hi there, I'm Apple. I come in red, green, and yellow colors. I'm crunchy and sweet, and people love to snack on me or make pies. Do you like apples?
Hi friends, I'm Mango, the king of fruits. I'm super sweet, especially in summer. Some people call me a tropical treasure. Have you tried a mango smoothie?
Hey kiddos, I'm Orange. I'm juicy and full of vitamin C, which keeps you healthy. You can drink my juice or enjoy my slices. Isn't my bright color fun?
I hope you love this. We have finally come to an end of this video. Before leaving, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to A-Tech. See you in the next one.